Hello guys, what is popping, and welcome to what may be the last part of this test. Anyways, a grocery store has weekly sales of 2.4 million. The sales on Friday and Saturday totaled 920,000. What percentage of sales took place on those 2 days? Well, the sales on Friday and Saturday totaled to 920,000, and we have weekly sales of 2.4 million. So that would mean we have 920,000. I'm just going to write K divided by 2.4 million, and now we're going to times this by 100 to make it a percent. And this is equal to, again, if you're not familiar with how I came to this answer, I have many videos on percentages. We have many videos on percentages, which I highly recommend that you take a look at. So anyways, 920,000 divided by 2.4 million. So that's 240, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Sorry, I'm just making sure that I'm typing this correctly on my calculator. Yes, I am. Times by 100. This is equal to 38.3 repeating, which in this case would be rounded to 38%, right? So that's question 94C. Question 95, a student has a 40% attendance record for a class that meets 5 times per week for 36 weeks. How many days will they attend class during the 36 weeks? Well, let's first see how many classes they have, right? So if they meet 5 times per week for 36 weeks, that's just equal to 5 times per week times the 36 weeks. So that means 5 times 36, 180. And he has 40% attendance. So 40% is equal to 0.4. Again, I have videos where I explain this. So times 0.4 is equal to 72 classes he will be attending. So that is option D. Now on to question 96. Your syllabus states that test scores make up 60% of your grade, projects make up 30% of your grade, and attendance makes up 10% of your grade. Your test average is 82%, project grade is 92%, and attendance grade is 70%. What is the grade point average for this class in percent? Sorry for always zooming out. So anyways, let's just take a look at this data one by one, okay? So test scores are 60% of your grade, okay? Your test average is 82%. So now you have 82 times 0.6, right? Because this is the weight. This is basically calculating a weighted average. Plus, now you have 92% for projects make up 30% of your grade, and attendance makes up 10%. So if your project grade is 92% and projects make up 30%, that is 92 times 0.3 plus 70, because your attendance grade is 70%, times 0.1, because that is 10% of your grade, times 0.1. Now let's see what all of this adds up to. 82 times 0.6 is 49.2, plus 92 times 0.3 is equal to plus 27.6, and 70 times 0.1 is just 7. And this is going to be, now let's just add all the three up. So 49.2 plus 7 is equal to 83.8. And in this case, it's percent, because all of these have all been the percents, and then these have been the respective weights. If this was a bit confusing to you, I have videos on simple. We have videos on simple versus weighted average, which I recommend that you take a look at. Now on to question 97. Sales for a Chick-fil-A restaurant are $6.5 million. The operator calculates that they will earn 15% after all expenses. How much will the operator earn? Well, the operator will earn 6.5 million times 0.15. And this is equal to, here, let me do this, 6.5 million. What I can really do in this case is 65 times 0.15, and then just, because all these numbers are the same in terms of the place values, and then just see what matches up with the first place value. So in this case, it is 975,000, right? Because what I did was 65 times 0.15, right? And this is a good tactic so that you don't have to type as much in your calculator, because this test really does go by very quickly. This is 9.75, and now all of these go into the 100,000s place value. So then you would just drag these place values over to 975,000. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. The last and final part will be out in the next video. Goodbye.